Hi you guys, I hope you're having an absolutely wonderful day. This will actually be my third video this week. I got all three up. If this goes up on Friday, if this is going up on like Monday, then feel free to give me some crap in the comments below. But if this is going up on Friday, I actually managed to get my stuff together this week, which is a small miracle. But today I'm here to unbox our October Sephora play. And I will say, this is very, very sunshiny looking for October. Like, this makes no sense. Where are like my bats and witches and my orange? Orange. It's October, the month of orange. This screams like May to me. Anyway, it says Joy of Complexion, so I'm guessing everything is going to be complexion themed, and it does give you, instead of the normal extra 50 points that you get, you actually get 20% off any foundation, tin, moisturizer, BB, or CC cream purchase. I don't like this idea that much. I like the 20% off coupon idea. That is great. But most people buy foundation every several months, not like every single month. Now, I typically buy new foundation every single month, but that's just because I'm on YouTube, I do makeup a ton, etc. So if it was a 20% off like any item thing, that would be amazing, especially at Sephora, because it's pretty rare to get Sephora coupons, so this is cool, but only if you need a foundation item. You know, if this, I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this. Anyway, I'm going to stop. I'm a little grumpy this morning. Just a little bit grumpy. I haven't got a whole lot of sleep this week. Things have been testing me. It's just been like stuff has been changing constantly, and I cannot stand schedule changes. And like my whole world now is like consistent schedule changes. Like things change on an hour by hour basis, and your girl not coping real well with that. So I've been doing everything that I can to kind of work on my mental health and not flipping out about stuff, but I'm not doing good with the consistent inconsistencies, if that makes sense. Anyway, here is our little bag. It's blue. It's a really cute, bright primary blue, and on the back it says Miniature Beauty, Major Satisfaction. So that is cute. I'm going to go ahead and dump everything out. Ooh, okay, and there is not a lot of variety. First up, we have this. I'm guessing because they're having a heck of a time selling this because of the limited, very limited foundation range. If you guys remember when this first came out, this is the Beauty Blender Bounce Foundation. There was some major controversy surrounding this because they only came out with a very limited, very light shade range, which is no bueno. Now they're up to 32 blends, i.e. 32 shades, but I think there were only like 10 when they first came out, which is not good. So anyway, this says it's a full coverage, velveteen matte finish, moisture boosting hyaluronic acid, white birch extract, etc. They gave me 1.5, which, looking at this model, is probably going to be just a little too light for my skin. We'll see, though. This does look cool, though, the way they did this sample. Like, it's designed to work with your beauty blender. So they made the sample similar to how the bottle is, which I actually really like. Like, if you're going to do a packet sample, having, like, a unique dispensing method like this is really cool. It says flip open cap and push down to release formula, bounce damp beauty blend directly on the surface, and then apply to skin. Okay, that's kind of cool. I like that they're using a different technology for the sample packet. All right, let's see what's next. We have the Matte Velvet Skin Full Coverage 24-Hour Foundation from Makeup Forever. They sent me shade Y205. Let's see what that's like. No. This is so freaking light. This will probably not match me at all. I will give it a shot, but the likelihood of that matching my skin is like slim to none. We'll test it out, we'll see, but like this looks like very close to like white. So I don't think that will work for me, at least not right now. That's why I don't necessarily love constantly getting foundation samples. Speaking of foundation samples, this is our third in this box. I don't like getting a ton of the same products in a box. I know what they're going for here. They're trying to push their foundations, but anyway. This is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Water Foundation. Now, I will say I am excited about this because I haven't tried this. I do like Tarte products. They sent me 15N, which is Fair Light Neutral. I will say I do wish that on the Sephora website they had more of an option for choosing your foundation color for the boxes, because it's literally like fair, light, medium, dark, and deep are the options. I put light, and everything I get is fair light, which is way too light for me usually. So here it is. I will say I love the packaging. I love the little baby dropper. It's so freaking cute. So A+ on the packaging, and actually possibly A+ on the skin match. This looks much closer to my natural skin tone. You can see if you compare this to the Makeup Forever, look at the tone difference in that. That's insane. The Tarte one is much closer to my skin, while this is way too light. So there definitely is a huge range that they tend to send you in one box, which can be really frustrating. But this looks really cute. So I am excited to try this one. I love anything with a dropper. Like, I'm a major sucker for anything with a dropper. It's a little baby dropper. Ooh, okay. So we will give that a try very soon, actually, because it's very close to what my skin tone is right now. Doesn't look like it on camera, but I promise it is. And we will give that a shot. I am excited about trying that one. Let's see. We have, oh, surprise. Is it a Sephora Playbox? If we don't get a primer, no it's not. We get a primer in like every single box. This is the Smashbox Original Photo Finish Primer. I've used this primer before. I do like it. I think it's good, but it's good in very tiny amounts and for very concentrated applications. It's not my favorite, but it does work well. Up next, we have the Cover FX High Performance Setting Spray. It says it's 24-hour wear. It says instantly set your look and make it last all day with this fast-drying, alcohol-free setting spray. Keeps it fresh, long-lasting wear. It doesn't say whether or not this has a matte or a dewy finish. So we will find out when we try it. It has a mixer ball in it. Look. Huh, interesting. Okay, shake very well before use. After makeup application, hold 8 to 10 inches away from the skin. Mist evenly onto face, close eyes and mouth while applying. I don't think I've ever seen a setting spray with a mixer ball in it. That is very interesting. Okay, well, I do like Cover FX stuff, so we will give that a try. Those were all our main, and this is actually our bonus. I'm really excited to see this because I've been using the Moroccan Oil hair treatment lately, and I love it. This is from Moroccan Oil Body, and this is their Night Body Serum, firm and smooth. So it says, focus on areas of the body that could benefit from a more youthful appearance. I'm gonna need a bigger bottle. They sent this in one of these little poppy top thingies. I hate these little pop top vials. They drive me psycho. I cannot stand them. But let's look at the product itself. It's a very thick serum, it looks like. I don't know whether this is oily or not. I would assume so because it has argan oil in it. I'm gonna pop some on the back of my hand. I don't wanna like dump this all over my desk. Okay. See, this is why I don't like these, because then you get the oil on the outside. But let me see. Okay, so it is definitely very oily, but it's fairly thin. It smells like the inside of a tea shop. You know those tea shops in the mall that you pass by that have like the really, really expensive teas and stuff in them? That's exactly what this smells like. So I'm kind of on putting this all over my body because I'm not huge into smelling like a tea shop. But it did soak in pretty quickly and my skin just feels soft. It doesn't look oily. So, ooh. Okay, we'll give it a shot. I'm not going to pass judgment. I don't love the smell. I don't love the way the sample's packaged, but I like the way it went into my skin pretty well. So I will definitely be giving that a try because it is dry skin season, and goodness knows, me and my dry skin have not been getting along lately at all. Anyway, let me go over everything we got in the box real quick. We got the Beauty Blender Bounce Foundation. We got the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Foundation. We got the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Water Foundation. We got the Smashbox Faux Finish Primer, the Cover FX High Performance Setting Spray, and the Moroccan Oil Body Night Body Serum. Least favorite will probably be the Smashbox Faux Finish Primer just because I have 5,000 primers. Like, it's ridiculous. I ought to do a video adding up how many primer samples I have because it's not even funny. I don't have that much face. Like, I can't use it all up probably in a lifetime. And then my most favorite will probably be the Rainforest of the Sea Foundation because it looks like the only one of the three we got that will actually match my skin tone, and I really like Tarte products in general, so I'm excited to try that one. Alright, you guys, let me know down in the comments below if you're still getting the Sephora Play Box. Did you like your October box? What did you get in it? I'm kind of on this box personally just because I have so much foundation and primer and skincare stuff right now. I'm like, just no more. No more. It's too much primer. Like, it's kind of getting irritating. Anyway, let me know what you got. Do you get primer in every single one of your boxes? This is a vital question because I'm very curious. Let me know it down in the comments below. If you like this video or at least found it somewhat entertaining, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. You can also keep up with me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. I'm pretty much everywhere, and all the links for those are down below as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Bye.